real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. we're climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we can jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
You got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know we did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away. 'Cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, brave.
Hi guys, hello everyone, hello everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. And if you are new on this channel, thank you so much, Tando Sizulu. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And to my returning skeem Sam, thank you, Tando Sizulu. I also appreciate each and every one of you. I see those comments, I see everything. Thank you so much. Today, family, it is Friday. I just came back from work and just want to change quickly. And we're heading to the farm. Just want to go and check how my babies are doing. It's actually been a minute since I've seen my babies, and it's maintenance day. So I just need to go and clean for them, change the water and give them food and all of that. So I think we're going to start by Alzu, get them some food, and then go and do some cleaning up and refreshing their rooms. So yeah, I hope you're going to enjoy this. I just came back here and just wanted to greet and say hi. How are you? Are you good? Are you warm? Are you fantastic? Are you wow? So yeah, so I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog. This is starting off the vlog. I'm not sure what's going to happen this weekend. Anyway, tomorrow, it is Saturday. Tomorrow I'm going to attend a funeral. It's ex-colleague funeral that I'm going to attend, and but I won't be vlogging there. I'm still not comfortable, guys, vlogging in public. Number one, vlogging in general in public, I'm still not comfortable. I still need to get used to that fact of vlogging outside. Number two, it's a funeral, so it's even worse. So I won't be vlogging. Probably maybe I'll vlog myself or the outfit that I'll be wearing, and then just ingest snippets of going there and but not the actual funeral. So yeah, probably I will vlog tomorrow, or I won't vlog tomorrow. Even those snippets, I'll just see if I'll have time, because wow, the funeral is very early. We'll see how things are going. But yes, please do enjoy, and I will see you when I see you. Thank you, Skeem Sam. Hi guys, we are at Alzu. I'm just waiting for the guys to come and load the chicken feeds and the shavings, and then we heading to the farm. The guys coming right behind me, and I'll see you at the farm.
I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural. You meet me where I am, still high on your throne. I look up to you in all I do. You're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your sight is my sole goal in this life, but there's no pressure to be perfect. Perfect you are. Perfect you are. So I don't have to be perfect. Perfect you are. You are. We try our best, but some.
Hi guys, how are you? Hi guys. Hi. I miss you guys. How you doing? Aww.
Sample of perfection to be. Lord, you are, you're perfect, so I don't have to be. I know, 'cause you are. Righteous Judge, the Holy One, you know every intention of my heart. You're the spotless Lamb, the blameless Son, yet no mistake could break us apart. You're super to my natural, you're extra to my ordinary flaws. Hold my hand through it all, forgive me every time I fall. Help me to see that I don't need to be worthy. You are. So I don't.
Guys, this is my look, and I'm on my way to the funeral, and this is basically how I look. And yeah, see you later guys. Anyway, good morning family. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. If you are new on this channel, thank you Nthabyathome for tuning in, and to my returning Skeem Sam, thank you so much. Bolavi, Boskat, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. So this is my OOTD. This is what I'm dressed like for the funeral. I'm actually a bit late, but I'm on my way. Mwah.